Probably the single most common question I get from any breast augmentation patient is the difference between a gummy bear implant and a non-gummy bear implant. Well, what it really comes down to is what is the implant filled with? Of course, they're both filled with silicone gel, but there's a difference in that silicone gel. Some of it is a little bit firmer, holds its shape a little bit better, and the other is a little bit softer. So we refer to those as full cohesive implants, what you would call a gummy bear implant, or a semi-cohesive or a semi-gummy bear. Why would we use one implant in one patient versus another? Well, it depends on the person's shape and the degree of breast tissue that they have and the end result that they're looking to try to achieve. So somebody who comes in who has a fair amount of breast tissue to begin with, they want to be a little bit fuller and they want a nice natural feel, then we might choose a semi-cohesive or a semi-gummy bear implant. Somebody who comes in who might have a little bit less breast tissue, might be a little bit more prone to seeing the edge of the implant, we might choose a more cohesive or more gummy bear style implant. Of course, the downside of that is they're going to have a slightly firmer result. This is an example of a full cohesive implant. And you can tell the difference just by looking at the top of them. This is a semi-cohesive or semi-gummy bear implant, and you can see it's just a little bit softer. It shows a few more ripples. This one holds its shape a little bit better, but is definitely a little bit firmer.